We were living in Hawaii, and we knew we were moving to Arizona. Weren't quite sure where we were going to live, but we had looked at a bunch of different models from a bunch of different builders.
We had done the virtual tour online, which is fantastic. I don't think any other builders we really looked at offered that, or if we did, we didn't dig that far.
I think we did it 10 million times
Yeah.
and memorized
Yeah.
the specific model.
And then his dad and stepmom and their friend, who's a realtor, came here for us because we were in Hawaii, and walked the home with Michael on FaceTime for us. And we signed paperwork that day. The fact that we were able to build a house from across the ocean, about 75% of it, and really have not any major hiccups, I think speaks volumes. Seen some horror stories online about other builders not being able to get a hold of their warranty person or anything like that. So I think just all those little things really give you peace of mind.
We were able to really work with the whole team to get it taken care of very quickly and superior quality. And safety also. I mean, we feel safe in the neighborhood, and you know, Woodside Homes has done a great job at, you know, with the construction. It's a new build, new neighborhood, really allowing us to still feel safe with construction workers, and we have 2 children and we still feel safe all the time. For the experience, I would give it a 10. And I work in the service industry, customer experience based, so for me that speaks highly.